An external request form is used to formally request services from outside entities, ensuring clear communication, documentation, and accountability for tracking and approvals. The clinician can create an external request from the doctor's panel. To create an external request, follow the following steps. Navigate to the clinical module and select the doctor's panel. When a patient is queued in consultation room, the patient record will be available in doctor's mini queue list. Select the patient as shown. Click on the Actions button, scroll down and select the external request form. The external request window will pop up for you to fill in the required details. Select the request details. This section captures the type of service being requested, such as laboratory, radiology, or theater. Fill in the requesting physician, which is the name or details of the physician making the request. The comments indicate additional notes or special instructions related to the request. Select the requested item from the drop-down list. Give the description, which indicates further specifications of the requested service. Indicate the quantity and click on the Save Request button to save. The added requests will be indicated below in the View Requests section. Approving an external request involves reviewing the submitted external request form to ensure that all necessary details are complete and accurate before granting authorization for the requested services. To approve the external request, click on the Approve link. To undo the approval, click on the Unlock link after approval. Click on the Print link to print the external request form.